Most people get this wrong. They think PaySurge is just another payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that PaySurge has evolved into a versatile financial platform offering early wage access, flexible installment payments, and budgeting tools designed to help users stay in control of their money. Here's how it works. PaySurge lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often in just a few hours. This can cover emergencies, urgent bills, or unexpected expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. On top of that, eligible purchases can be split into smaller payments, making monthly budgeting simpler and more predictable. The app is clean, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. You can track advances, monitor repayment schedules, and gain insights into your spending habits. Push notifications make sure you never miss a payment, preventing late fees and supporting better financial discipline. The downside? Overusing PaySurge can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can lead to fees, so it's best treated as a short-term solution rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications enabled for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to minimize reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, PaySurge in 2026 is a practical and flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Track spending, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.